Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri ka Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs uba Methodist Dakhar. Ula Kyntu ki Paidbah ka jila ban le Aadhaar na mata ban yo ajimentoy na ka Skhim Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 3.0. Hagsi baar uba Methodist Dakhar ka jingalang balapendong na ka Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ha State Convention Center Shillong. Ula Pyllait Paidbah ya ka Skhim Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 3.0 Hagjina lang Upravin Bakshi IAS Commissioner Secretary, FCS and CA, Roderick F. John, WFP, SK War OSD, FCS and CA, ka Saloni Verma IAS Director, FCS and CA but kiwi. Uba Methodist Dakhar ba ajinkran ulaong, katkum ka National Food Security Act, way pa uwe unong shnong ka jila udan ka hok ban yok haw, ula banjur kilong yang bakin ay kjinyatali, da jingtmu ban pentikna bagi jimentoy sorkar kin poi shaki Paidbah da ka basuk.
So, yes, today for me is I think to most of you, is the first time that we are meeting here. And to some of us, we are well acquainted and we have been familiar with each other. So I take this opportunity for all those people, for all of you that we have met for the first time, that we are working together in the department, like our principal secretary had mentioned. It's like a family, that how we can take our state forward and how we can work to serve the people of our state and to serve the society. So I would, like our principal have already requested you to put more effort to take this program of the central government and the state government to take it forward to the grassroots level, to the beneficiary. So we'll be needing your cooperation, we'll be needing your hand-holding and your dedication to provide the service to the people of our state. So again, today I would like to say that we are all sitting here. It's not maybe just another official meeting, but again, it's another moment, a moment to remind ourselves that we are here to serve, and we are here to serve with dignity, and we are here to do our duty to the citizens of our state. As we are aware that under the National Food Security Act, every eligible person in Meghalaya, he has the right to receive food grains on time and every month without any hurdles. And that is not the favor that the government is doing. It's not only the favor that the government is doing, but that is the right of every citizen of our country and the citizen of our states. And it is also the responsibility of each and every one of us to deliver the right of the people of our society. So, and I will not take much time, because we will be having lots of presentation, and we will be discussing lots of many things. And our principal secretary has already briefed you what are the difficulties that we are facing as the state, and what are the difficulties we are facing as the department. So I would again insist on each and every one of you, and again I would like to reiterate that our nation, the highest institution, the Supreme Court and the central government has already given us a guideline, has already given us the timeline that we need to fulfill those requirements, to the Aadhaar seeding, the EKYC linking, and we are well behind the schedule, and we are well behind target that the government of India is giving, and behind the target that the Supreme Court is giving the timeline to each and every state. So again, I would request to each and every one of us to put this on a serious note and let us deliver. So I would like to say that maybe from today, let us say that EPOS be our default and our discipline. When we record every transaction through EPOS, and we are not just using technology, we are ensuring honesty, fairness, and transparency. EKYC, to many of us, it sounds like a very technical term, but it's about dignity. It ensures that no one else can take away what belongs to a poor family. It must be done for every beneficiary and repeated every 5 years. For children, Aadhaar must be captured at the age of 5 and their EKYC completed within 1 year. And if a card is flagged as disabled, let us verify it very quickly, because behind that card, maybe a mother is waiting with her child. So, and once again, I would like to remind that our state now have already embraced this smart PDS, a smart PDS system designed to bring speed, accuracy, and transparency. But as we are all aware that technology alone is not enough. It needs a human intervention. So let us fix the mismatch, correct the errors, and complete all the pending EKYC through a mission mode. Let us work together so that ration distribution continues smoothly for every household and without fail. I would request the DC of all the district, the SDO civil, to lead with heart and vision, and to send mobile team to the remote corners, to hold EKYC camp in villages, and to work hand in hand with the headman and the vigilance committee. The deadline by the government of India are firm, but our purpose is greater than the deadline. It's about ensuring that no mother goes home empty-handed, no elderly person wait in vain, and no migrant workers is turned away with the one nation, one ration card scheme. Let us deliver this duty that has been given to us. So once again, before I resume my seat, I would like to thank each and every one of you to